Ready to unlock a whole new level of data insights by combining information from different sources. First, open your Looker Studio report. We'll start by adding the first data source you want to blend. Click on Add Data at the top of your screen. Now, select the first data connector. For example, let's say it's Google Sheets. Choose the specific sheet containing your first set of data and click Add. Great. Now repeat this process to add your second data source. Say it's Google Analytics. Click Add Data again and choose Google Analytics. This is where the magic happens. At the top, go to the Resource menu and select Blend Data. You'll see a new interface. Drag and drop your first data source into the left side of the configuration. Then drag the second one into the right side. The most important step is selecting your join keys. These are the fields that both data sources have in common. Click Add a Join Key and select matching fields from each data source, for example date. Next, define the join type. In this case, let's select Left Outer. This brings all the data from data source 1 and only matches the data from data source 2. Now, pick the metrics and dimensions you want to include in your blended data source. Click the plus icon next to each field you want to add. Finally, click Save. Now you can create charts and tables using your newly blended data and see combined insights like never before.